Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery. Kind of from any screen, if you go to your iTunes, record playing here, you look at the bottom there's a red triangle, 3 red circles. If you see there, Discovery Sport, there's a tick next to it. You can actually do it for anybody in the car who's got their phone paired to the system. You can play audio from their mobile. But anyway, so here we go. That's playing. We go to see the clapperboard there and the musical note. Click that. And you've got here source. If we go to source, Bluetooth audio, click Bluetooth audio. Now we'll just wait till that's showing. So I'll turn it up on here. It's not turned up on my iPhone, and the reason for that is I can only play it for a very, very short while, otherwise it'll get copyrighted and the soundtrack will be removed by YouTube. So there you go. It's showing on there, it's showing playing on there. If I just turn it up quickly now, as you can hear, that's only turned up halfway. It's a really good system. I've got to be honest, it's a simple system, a lot more, apart from just deleting the phones, everything else is really simple and easy to use, but hopefully you'll know how to do it now. Thanks for watching.